So today I'm going to review this USB numeric keyboard extender. There's a couple in Amazon from anywhere from $10, $20 to this one, which is more in the $50 range. And the reason why I picked this one, it's actually two reasons. One, it looks a lot like my other Mac keyboard. So this is my keyboard for my iMac. So I kind of wanted the look to extend through. Now for my desktop, I don't need this because I have my regular full-size keyboard, but this is more for me to travel. When I use my laptop, so let me show you my laptop. This is my MacBook. This doesn't have a side number option in the keyboard. I have to use the top number. So this becomes a great addition, right? So if I'm crunching numbers in Excel or something, this becomes just really useful. And it fits right on top of my keyboard, or I can have it on the side. It's compact enough. What I also like about it, it has a built-in USB hub, because if this is gonna potentially take one of the ports in my keyboard while it's charging, because my laptop, it's only USB-C. My laptop's only USB-C, and this unit is USB-C. It actually comes with a USB-C cable, and this is only for charging purposes. You actually don't need to have it plugged in for it to function. It actually functions just like this because it's Bluetooth. It does need to be charged though, so that's what the USB cable is for. Now, if you want to use the extender hub, you're going to have it plugged in as well. So the cable is optional for charging or to use the optional USB hub. Now, what I like about it is how thin it is. It's actually thinner than my laptop. If you see my laptop's thickness with the case, is pretty thin. So this fits in my bag really easily. It's compact. It looks nice. I would strongly recommend it.